Welcome back to this new video. Today I will speak about an independent Linux distro. It's from Project Linux from Scratch and Beyond Linux from Scratch. The distribution is designed for intermediate and advanced Linux users. It comes from France. There are many graphical interfaces as Mate, Lxd, Lxqt, Enlightenment, GNOME, KDE5, and XFCE. It's released with only x64 processors, with the latest Linux kernel 5.18, and systemed SYSV in it. I choose the Lxqt Gui. It's rolling release distro. The installation is very quickly, as you see. An interesting features available is custom package manager called cards. The package manager can install individual binary packages, a group of related binary packages, e.g. desktop packages, such as KDE or XFCE, and compile source packages from ports divided by. Why does choose an independent Linux distro? Number 1. You can install Nutyx from almost any other distribution, thanks to the bash script named install Nutyx. Number 2. The hierarchical ports collection system provides maximum flexibility in managing software. Each collection is responsible for a set of functionality. Number 3. A very simple method called porting allows you to download a recipe from our repositories. Number 4. It has the ability, once installed in a folder, to produce a personalized installable ISO version of Nutyx. The new live version can also be reinstalled on other machines, should you so desire. Number 5. It allows you to install a complete base binary package or a selection of individual base binaries packages. For example, devil, man, doc, and lib. Number 6. It has no need of a separate HDD or partition for your personal data. Number 7. It has unique installation coding, which prevents the Nutyx installer from formatting any already existing target partition. This means that Nutyx can be installed on a partition containing data, for example, personal files and various non-system folders. Number 8. It has a very powerful yet simple command, which allows you to revert to the base system and completely change the graphical user interface. Number 9. It has a totally unique package manager made of expandable modules, with no dependencies except glib. Number 10. It has the ability to compile all the packages properly per level in a dedicated CRUD environment. After compilation, all the dependencies are again checked to make sure no broken links are found. My opinion. It seems very basic as to installation. Anyway, Nutyx distribution is not for newcomers, it expects a good deal of experience. But what I liked was Nutyx hits a sweet spot between including useful, friendly tools, and trimming the fat. There are graphical web browsers, a front end for package management, and a system installer to help us get up and running. Otherwise we are left to our own devices and encouraged to set up just what we need. Nutyx is pleasantly light and fast. There are some troubles with UEFI. The dual combination of having a UEFI boot menu that is partially obscured, combined with a system installer which jumps right to formatting and taking over the primary partition is not good. Really not good. Wiping an operating system without warning is a big problem, and the fact this behavior does not match the documentation is an even bigger problem, because the documentation indicates this will not happen without going through multiple configuration steps and a warning. There are fewer applications available to Nutyx users than what some other distributions provide. Nutyx offers about 1,700 packages at the time of writing, up against about 59,000 in Debian, for example. I did not always find what I was looking for in the repositories, though most big name items were available. I advise this distro only for an expert Linux users. I don't use anymore.